Hey guys, welcome to another special video. This is Street Smart Joker here, and today I'm going to teach you how I catalog my comic book collection. Right, nothing extraordinary. You can see a bunch of comics that I put right in front of me, and I am going to catalog them right in front of you, and so that you get an inside eye view of how I do it, and maybe you can yourself decide what could be the best app that you would want to plan on the cataloging. So one of the first apps which I want to show you guys is called CLC Comics, and it's a very popular app, and it gives you the option to add different set of comics, and it asks you all the details that you want to enter, or you can avoid all that and simply add it using a barcode as well, right? The only problem is you need to have a subscription, and if you go and subscribe it's going to cost you around $1,300. And you can definitely do your 7-day free trial, but after that it is going to cost you money, which will be around roughly $15. But still, I didn't want to end up paying that right now. Maybe at a future point in time, when I feel that I need this app, I will definitely consider buying that. Let's just try one of the, I don't know if there is a barcode. Okay, there is a barcode in this. Let's just try how it works. Yeah, okay, it's saying that it's that you need to connect to the CLC core app. Make sure you are properly. I don't know, I mean, I didn't like the interface much, although I know it's a pretty I mean, it will take some learning for me to do. So instead what I do is that I tried something else, and that is this app which is called iCollect. And you can see set of my comic books which I've already cataloged in here. I like the interface that it throws out. I think it's a very cool and very simple and elegant kind of interface, and it also has the ability to go and catalog a bunch of other things than just comic books, as you guys can see here: coins, books, bobbleheads, and all kind of stuff. Right now I use it only for my comic books, and I will go back and show you how I do that. Let's say that you want to add a new comic book into your catalog. You can just do, it will just ask you, do you have a barcode or not? For example, if you have, then you just need to say yes, and then it scans your barcode. There you go, and it shows you the comic, right, which is the correct one. And yeah, it shows the back and the front, and somebody has even listed the cover price, the series, the story arc, everything, right? And you just click save, and voila, it gets added right here as part of my catalog. That's how simple this app is, and I use it to catalog and manage my collection. Some comic books though presented me some problem, because for example, I tried to catalog this one, which is a Batman Fugitive, and I couldn't catalog it properly because I think the barcode was also not very proper. So I had some troubles there, but let's say, yeah, this I didn't see any of the pictures there, so I was not happy that this is the correct book. So I thought maybe it's not there in the catalog. So what I did was I went back, I clicked on manual entry, and instead I just entered the actual barcode which was shown behind, right? Which is, it's a bit tedious if you're doing a lot of books, but I was just trying my luck to see if it is there in the catalog or not. And yes, it was, right? So this is the exact book. Oh, the problem is this: I already added this item, so it is saying that it is a duplicate item. But so I'll just cancel it. But the good part is I have that book is listed. I just had to search it manually, and this is that book. Yeah, this the second one is the book. Yeah, that's the one. So that's how I do it, guys. I hope you really enjoyed, and maybe you guys could try more such. Okay, let's try another one just before I send you guys away. This is called Wonder Woman Volume 8 Dark Gods. Where is the, okay, here is a barcode. Okay, detected, and now it's searching its database, and let's see if we strike gold there. No, we are not, unfortunately. We'll have to go back. I'll try again the manual entry 9781401289010. That's the ISBN code. Oh, it's not a valid, something wrong which what I entered. We'll try that again. 9781401289010. Okay, it's searching. Yes, I got the book again. That's the book. Awesome, right? So that's how you guys do it. And I just need to click save and it will be saved. Not every book will have the full information stored, unfortunately, but at least you will get an idea by seeing the picture what book it is, right? So I already cataloged, let's say, Nightfall, or yeah, Batman No Man's Land. So I've not done my entire set of cataloging, guys, but I've done fair bit of it, but I will continue doing it. But until the next time, and there is also an option where you can go and wish list some of the comics. This is the cataloging. This is the most important part which I wanted to show you guys. So that is working properly. And remember the name, guys. This is called iCollect, and it also gives you some way, so I can create an extended list, or I can create a normal list. I can do some sort of there. I can do a filter based on the publisher, etc. If I have a huge catalog, I can import and export, and I can do a bunch of stuff there. I am still exploring this app, and if I want to enable cloud sync, that is also possible. I can create an account and do a cloud sync as well. So a bunch of stuff, guys. I really found this app very useful and very elegant and smooth to have on your mobile phone. So let me know if this is interesting to you, and if you also guys start using this for your collection. Do let me know your thoughts, and yep, until next time, bye bye, see you next time.